Hello everybody. Today we are going to see the unboxing of Snibe Diagnostics MAGLUMI Vitamin B12 CLIA reagent kits. And this is the front view of the reagent kit, and you can find the brand name over here, Snibe Diagnostics MAGLUMI Vitamin B12 CLIA. And these are the contents present inside the reagent kit boxes: 2.5 ml of magnetic microbeads, 1.5 ml of calibrator low and 1.5 ml of calibrator high, 6.5 ml of pre-treated reagent 2, 2.5 ml of ABEI label, 7.5 ml of DDT buffer, 1 bottle pre-treated reagent, and 1.5 ml of control 1 and 1.5 ml of control 2. These are the reagents present inside the kit, and this is the reference number 130263002M, and you can find the manufacturing details over here, and you can see the temperature control 2 degree to 8 degrees Celsius, so that only I am keeping the reagent in the gel pack to maintain the temperature. Now I am going to show the side view of the boxes, and this is the side view. You can see the brand name over here, Snibe Diagnostics, and here you can find the manufacturing details and the brand name Snibe Diagnostics. And this is the MAGLUMI Vitamin B12 test kit, and reference number over here 130263002M. And now I am going to unbox this for your reference. At the top of the kit you can find 3 reagent bottles. I can show you each of them. These are the 3 reagents found inside the packet. You can see the name MAGLUMI, volume 1.5 ml, and this is beta 12 CLIA control 2, and here you can see that vitamin B12 CLIA pre-treated reagent 1, and you can see the brand name over here, Snibe Diagnostics. Here you can see the vitamin B12 CLIA control 1. You can get control 1, control 2 and pre-treated reagent 1. You can find this. Now I am going to place these 3 reagents aside. Inside the box you can find an instruction manual from Snibe Diagnostics MAGLUMI Vitamin B12 CLIA. This is the instruction manual. Consists of what are the reagents present inside it. Now I am going to place this aside. After that you can find a panel of sheet. You can find the stickering. It consists of vitamin B12 control 2, control 1, control 2, control 1. There are four stickering available for vitamin B12 control 1, 4, and vitamin B12 control 2, 4 stickers available. This is the certificate provided by Snibe Diagnostics. Yes, I am going to place this aside. This is the reagent kit, MAGLUMI Vitamin B12 CLIA. It consists of 2.5 ml of magnetic microbeads, 1.5 ml of calibrator low, 1.5 ml of calibrator high, 6.5 ml of pre-treated reagent 2, and 12.5 ml of ABI label, 7.5 ml of DDT buffer, and you can find the temperature control 2 degree to 8 degree Celsius over here. This is the top view. Okay, these are the overall kits you will get inside the Snap Diagnostic MAGLUMI Vitamin B12 reagent kit. Summarizing, these are the 3 reagents available at the top: control 1, control 2, and pre-treated reagent 1. And this is the certificate provided by the Snap Diagnostic. These are the stickerings and the control panel and user manual provided by Snap Diagnostics for MAGLUMI Vitamin B12 CLIA. And this is the reagent kit, and these are the overall product present inside the reagent kit box. Thank you.